everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a question that has 7 red balls, 10 green balls, 5 yellow balls, 8 blue balls in a bag. And we are going to pick a ball at random. Find the probability that the ball pick is a blue ball. So in this case here, very important, I need to know what is my total number of balls. So I will have 7 plus 10 plus my 5 plus my 8. And this will actually give me a value of 30. So the probability of the ball being picked is blue will be 8. There are 8 balls out of a total 30. And of course, when we leave our answer, we do have to leave it in the simplest form. So this one, the final answer will be 4 over 15. What is the probability? Then it is not a yellow ball. There are 5 yellow balls, means if it is not a yellow ball, means that the number of non-yellow balls is 30 minus 5, because there's 5 yellow balls. 25, so it will be 25 over 30. Final answer, do leave it in the simplest form. Part B. We are going to add 10 more green balls into the bag. And James actually claimed that the probability will be doubled, because previously it's 10. Now he add another 10. Is his claim true? Well, then we have to see what happens to the new probability, right? So, for example, the new total will be, previously is 30, now I will need to add another 10. So, the new total is 40 balls. And the probability of getting a green ball previously is 10 out of 30, which is 1 over 3. The new probability of getting a green ball, 10 plus 10, 20, out of the new total, 40. This will give me half. However, is this half doubled of 1 over 3? Is this probability doubled? No, because 1 over 3 multiplied by 2 is 2 over 3 and not 1 over 2. So therefore, the final answer, is his claim true? No, his claim is not true, as the new probability after 10 green balls are added is 1 over 2. and not 2 over 3. Okay, half. Well, with that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.